Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video I'll show you how to clean the hidden trash in your Windows operating system. This is going to be very simple. As you guys already know how we normally clean the trash, we just go to the properties and hit disk cleanup, then the system files to analyze what we have, like the updates, the trash in this system, recycle bin and all. It gathers all the trash information and lists us in a frame where you can select all those things and clean at once. But what about a shortcut method? Here I'm going to introduce with an app called Uncleaner, and you can put it anywhere according to your speed of access and just run it with as administrator. That's all. It is going to analyze all the trash in your system within a single click. It is going to analyze the deep rooted part of your system garbage and going to list. And after this you can just hit over clean, and with a single click it is going to remove all of that trash. How cool it is. For more tips, tricks and hacks like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.